Hi there and welcome. My name is Christine Livingston. Just a short while ago at age 57, I was 28 kilograms heavier in body weight. I was exhausted, I was uncomfortable, I was very unhappy with my body, and quite frankly, I was rather depressed. In fact, I felt a little bit hopeless. But everything changed for me, not through strict diets, not through joining a gym or endless hours sweating. I lost a phenomenal 28 kgs over 8 months without adding any extra exercise than what I already did. And I did it by changing when and how I fuel my body and how I think and understand about food and fat. And now I love my body again. I'm really happy with it. My energy is through the roof. My sleep has improved. My moods are stable. My health markers have improved. And I feel more alive than I have in decades. Let me show you some before and after pictures. That's why I'm inviting you to join me for a free-day online workshop. Just 2 hours a day, where I'll walk you through exactly how I did it. This workshop is called the Cliff Lifestyle Movers and Shapers Workshop, and it's named after the system I developed, a system that helped me to finally break through after years and years of trying and failing to lose weight. The word cliff in Cliff Lifestyle stands for two things. The one thing is it represents my name, Christine Livingston, intermittent fasting and feasting. The other thing it stands for is a principle. Envision yourself climbing a very hard cliff, a steep cliff, reaching the top and conquering it, and standing there in a place and a stance of victory. That's what cliff represents. You will see it in my logo if you look carefully. The cliff actually represents what I imagine all of us doing, climbing this cliff and conquering it. So the concept is built around a powerful, flexible rhythm of intermittent fasting and feasting on healthy foods, strategically arranged to help your body to burn fat rather than to store fat. During these workshops, I will share with you the wake-up call that changed everything for me, the real-life, day-to-day steps that I took week after week, month after month, to melt away the fat and keep it off. And I'll show you how you can adapt these steps to your own life, to be the principles in your own life, no matter what is your age, what is your gender, where you live, what is your budget, and what is your history with dieting. You will also get downloadable tools and guidelines to help you every step of the way. At the end of the workshop, I will share with you a special support offer for those of you who want ongoing support and accountability, those who need structure and encouragement continuously, because I know firsthand that support makes all the difference on your weight loss journey. So if you're over 40 and thinking of starting over, if you've tried everything and nothing seems to work anymore, if you want to feel and look lighter and healthier and more confident, if you want to do this without punishing your body physically, then this workshop is for you. I'm here to guide you step by step. I'm the one who did it, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. I'll work with you through it step by step. So reserve your spot today at our next workshop, online or in person. Bring a notebook and a pen, or bring your smartphone and be ready to take down notes. Get ready to be inspired and motivated and astonished and excited. Get excited about your cliff moment. Get excited about your turning point. It could begin right here and now at one of my workshops. So this is how you get involved. Click the link in the video description below. Read the information and book your seat right away. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you at the workshop. Ciao for now.